Is this ever happened to you that you are trying and planning to do something but not being able to do that thing because you are not making a complete roadmap to reach that goal? You are just going without any type of plan. So if you make a plan, then it will be easier for you. And I have just shown with my own example. As you already know, in previous year I just missed medical admission test. So that is why in this year I am preparing for that, and I just made a complete roadmap that when the exam will happen and how I will approach in these years, how I will complete my syllabus, how I will revise those, and how can I take a proper preparation. So if you watch this video, you will be able to know that how to plan and how to make a complete roadmap for achieving your goals, and not just for medical admission test. You can implement these in all aspect of your life, in all planning you are doing. So now I am going to show you step by step how I will approach for medical admission test 2026, which is going to happen in November, the last week of November or the first week in December. Okay, so this is probably the date. So I am assuming that this will happen in November so that I can get extra time in my hand. So basically I am enrolling in a coaching center for medical admission test, and they are providing 57 lectures for second day medical admission, and already 24 lectures has been done. So now 33 lectures left. So if I tell you honestly that in these 24 lectures I missed some of the classes and I didn't study that deeply, right? So basically I need to cover these 24 lectures as well, and I just break down in here that 1 week 3 lectures take 1 week. So basically 33 lecture will take 11 week, or around 3 months it will take. So basically we are in right April. So April, May and June, these 3 months will be taken for completing these 33 lectures, and in these 3 months my plan is I will cover them with these 33 lectures, as well as I will also cover these 24 lectures which I have gap in those. So basically what I will do, I will clear these 33 lectures, as well as I will clear all my confusion throughout these 24 lectures, so that my first revision gets completed and my whole syllabus get completed one time. Then in July and August, or you can say that next 2 months, I will revise first time, and first time I will revise very deeply each and every single thing, whichever whatever is needed and whatever is not that much important but important for our examination. So I will revise these first time in July and August. Then in September I will give the second revise. So if you look carefully, then I took 2 months for my first revision, then I took just 1 month for second revision, and in my third and fourth revision I just took 1 month, because in first 15 days I will give my third revision, and then last 15 days I will give my second revisions, and fifth and sixth revision of mine I will just take 1 month, or it will not take 1 month, but I kept time for that time of recent general knowledge, so that is also needed to study. So I kept that 1 month in hand. So this is our complete 6 time revisions strategy. So we will follow this onward. So stay connected, and I will show you the progress, the challenges, the raw struggles of mine. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's dive into it.